Hi there, Jimmy here. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to curate the EP English content to suit your learning plan. Often, it's very effective to look at what content you want to teach and when you want to teach it. Our content is laid out in a generic sense, but it's very easy for you to create a custom folder which is aligned with your curriculum plan. So when you log into the control panel, all you need to do is go into the content library, click on the edit button, and then jump into your private workspace. This folder is a great place to experiment, to make changes, to create new folders, to edit lessons, or to create content from scratch. So today we'll just look at creating a folder and populating it with content which matches your curriculum plan. The first thing I want to do is add my folder. So for this example, I want to create a language features course for year 9s. So I'll start with the year level. Term 2. So I've got my folder. Just double click into that, and I'm just going to copy content here. This will open up the library. I can go down to my year 9 folder, go into the writing, and there's where I'll find language features. Now I just have to start picking what I want them to learn in term 2. So I'll pick hyperbole lesson, some metaphors, personification, maybe some extended metaphors, a little bit of symbolism. Now I confirm those lessons, and there's my language features course for term 2. Now if I'm happy with that, I can just move it to my school's content. And there it is. So my colleagues can all use this, or I can just use it myself. And I don't have to share it with my school's content. I can assign it from within here. But I think it's incredibly beneficial if you work with your colleagues to figure out what content could be curated that's mutually beneficial. So I hope that is easy to understand. Give it a go yourself. In your private workspace, you can curate and do anything you like, and it won't be visible to anybody else. But when you make something that you think will be helpful, you can share it. Thank you very much. If you have any questions, email support@educationperfect.com, and we'll help you with any and all issues using EP English.